situation in West Bengal. Ever since COVID-19 outbreak, Centre and West Bengal government have been at loggerheads with each other. But now with the cases increasing every day, the Centre is making entry into Bengal through the app. The newly made RT-PCR application will give access to central government of COVID-19 cases in West Bengal, which were till now being monitored by the state with limited access to the Centre. Till now, most of the data on coronavirus cases were filed manually. However, through RT-PCR app, this process would be eliminated. Centre can now access the COVID-19 data in real time along with the state governments. The report will be sent directly to ICMR, and the apex medical body will not have to wait for Bengal government's inputs. The move is coming in after repeated allegations against Mamata Banerjee government over alleged underreporting of COVID-19 cases in the state and failing to tackle the pandemic.
Across the country, West Bengal was the only state where the Chief Secretary Rajiv Sinha came on record and said they found the missing data that was not happening, which was not able to access or get a hold of before releasing the entire COVID-19 patient details or the positive details or even the death details. They said they were following a very intriguing and a very cumbersome process because of which the delay was happening. But interestingly, now there's a way which will be easier, real time, as well as much more on a common platform for the state and the central government within the same time. That there have been difference of opinion with letters being shot at each other from the Chief Secretary of West Bengal to Union Health Minister or even from Ministry of Home Affairs to the state of West Bengal. But amidst all this, now comes an app which will be at least able to handle and get the entire details with the data entry happening even in the districts or far-flung areas which have been a cause of concern for the transfer of data manually or even sending of files for the expert committee that was formed by the state of West Bengal to monitor and then decide on what would be the next plan of action. Now at least what you could expect is an easier and a real-time number reflection in the actual data chart of COVID-19 related patients.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.